Hello and welcome to the MyMuse instruction videos. This is number 3. Today we're going to show you how to configure your payment plugins and the modules that come with MyMuse. So log into the administrator side of your site, go to Extensions Plugin Manager. Here you can choose the type, MyMuse, and you'll find 3 plugins have been installed. 2 have to do with payments and 1 for shopper groups. Let's look at the Pay Offline plugin. This has no parameters. In fact, what it does is present an option to the client to click Pay Offline. When you receive their payment, you will already have the order stored, and you can go to that order and add the payment and update it to be confirmed. If you don't want to show that option to your clients, the Pay Offline, you can disable the plugin. Now let's look at the PayPal. Nothing to do on this side. This just details things about the plugin. On this side you would enter your PayPal email. PayPal has an option to use micropayments, which gives you a better deal on small payments. If your site has already been converted to use micropayments, you don't have to do anything more. If you only have the one site, all orders will go to that site. If you have 2 sites, one for regular payments and one for micropayments, then you should turn this on, put in your micropayment account email, and you can set a cutoff. So orders totaling less than some amount will go to your micropayment. Orders totaling more than that will go to your regular PayPal account. You can also test the site using the PayPal sandbox. Here you'd click yes and put in your PayPal sandbox email. You can optionally enter the customer email that will show up. If you use the PayPal authorization token, you can enter it here. Save your changes, and that's our PayPal plugin. There's one more plugin here. This is a more advanced one. If you want to set up different shopper groups and direct different groups to different views, you have to create the views yourself. If you're not going to use this one, we can disable it. Okay, now let's go to Extensions Module Manager and have a look at the MyMuse login module. If you're using MyMuse, you'll want to use the MyMuse login module. You can change the title, whether to show the title, whether it's enabled, the position and the order, and so on. You can tell it what menus to appear on. If you know what you're doing with CSS, you can give it a class suffix. You can put in some text that will show up before the login form, some post text after the login form. You can redirect a logged in person to any menu you like. And the same with when they log out. You can redirect them. Should you show a greeting or not? Should you use their username or not? These are all the same kind of parameters that you see on the regular Joomla login module. We'll save your changes. The other module that comes with MyMuse is called MyMuse Latest, and it lets you show the latest albums or tracks. Here again you can say whether to show the title, change the title, tell it what position and what order, tell it what menu to be on. You can have multiple instances of this module, and if you do, give each one a unique number. You can tell it how many items to show, and whether you want to show tracks or albums, whether you want it to show the artist name, the product name, whether you want it to show the image. If you do, you can set the image height. Do you want to show a track preview if you're showing tracks? If you do, you can choose a flash player. You may want to choose a small one, like this mini, as it's showing up in a module. Save your changes, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.